we're back with another video. We're doing a airsoft war today with our guns.
Hit! Sorry, guys.
Okay. Who hit you and where?
Sniper over there.
Let's get.
Go. Sorry, guys, about this. He's gotta hide.
There's someone right there. Boo!
That was just random. Quick. Hit! Go take out the sniper, come on.
Where is he?
He's over there. See that tree? He's in that tree. Fire! Okay, he got him. Hear that? Hit it.
That's right. Let's move on.
Scheme, wait up.
Oh, I see him.
Fire.
He went behind the log.
Dude. Sorry, guys, about this. Hit!
Who keeps hitting you? Oh, there's one. Oh.
That's the guy who sniped me.
No. That guy looks kind of like someone from Halo, the grunt. No, literally, he's orange and it's moving.
I got him.
Running out of shots. We need to get our objective. Get to the base.
Well, our objective is actually just to kill everybody. Hit! Just over that barrel. See that barrel?
Yeah.
I'm on fire at that. You got him.
I got one more shot.
Scheme.
Not working. Okay.
Okay, in about... Okay.
We're down. You can stop. Ow! Come on. We're down. Stop shooting.
Crap, I can't pull my gun out. Hit! Sorry, guys. Kind of first time playing airsoft. We do have homemade protective armor under our clothes, which Lusher made. If you guys want to know about it, there will be a different. There will.
The channel that I'm on, it's PC Gamers Crib. It's not my YouTube channel. It's my friends. And
our friends.
I'm in. I think
That's a huge banana.
I'm in. I think a few videos, but not very many. Move. I don't
Do you see
want
that?
to stand on your camera.
Don't fire it. Good job. You missed it.
I missed it.
You missed it. I felt like over my head. Dude, there's snipers. There's snipers everywhere. Hit! Told you. There's a pink. Ow! Pink lightning. And Jacksepticeye. Love Jacksepticeye. Ow! Pink lightning. What? Hit! We don't have many people playing with us, just me, him, and a few other people, about 12 more people, but hit! Dude, come on, you have to take out those noobs.
Hey, it's not my fault. You keep getting hit. You're the center of attention.
Dude, we're done. We're finished the round.
Okay.
I'm kind of the host of this game.
I guess we'll see you in the next video, which is our next round. Goodbye, and have a
Wonderful day.
wonderful evening, afternoon, morning, or day.
Bye.